So, hello guys, this is Anshuman Rao and welcome back to another video. So, as you can see, we again breached in another account. So, yeah, before moving into the video, I would, recommend you to check out the description box to avail some, if you want to avail some discount for, the account you purchase from some prop firm accounts if you want to purchase and from funded next, so you can use my code in the description below to avail some extra discounts while purchasing a funded account. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. And as you can see, we breached another account. So in this video I'm going to explain you what were the mistakes. So without wasting any time, let me jump into the first mistake. The very first mistake that I made that led me to breach this account was I was trading every day. As a retail trader, as a retail investors, it doesn't matter whether you use order blocks or let's just forget order blocks. I am talking about order flow, which are the retail institutional, which are the institutional tools which retail traders use. In fact, I don't use them, but still then the retail traders which use institutional tools like order flow, footprint charts or depth of markets, in fact those traders also, those retail traders also don't trade every day. And as being a price action trader, we don't have much resources available. We just see off the charts and we trade along with the charts, and we just aim for the clean ranges coverings, and we just trade when there is volume in the market, and especially during London session, pre-London session, pre-New York session, and London-New York overlap. So yeah, this is our basic strategy, especially mine. This is my primary basic strategy. But also the very big mistake was I was trading every day. So the main thing that I noticed, that I realized, that you don't have to trade every day to make more money in the markets. You don't have to trade every day. You just have to find that clean setup to execute properly and hold the trade. So the thing was, I if you go to the trading overview of this account, you will be seeing there are not many trades in gold, but there are many trades in GBP/JPY and USD/JPY. So let's jump into the charts. So this was the trading history. This is all the trading statement over here. So yeah, we were somewhere around $3,000 in negative. Then we again came into $800 of negative. We almost covered most of the losses in one single day, and I will be dropping down the link in the description box for the video also. That was the last video I recorded, which I uploaded in my channel. So hope make sure to check it out also, so that you will be getting to learn something, that how we single-handedly covered almost every loss in a single day. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the charts. So basically in the GBP/JPY, first we'll go through in the GBP/JPY. So in GBP/JPY, as you can see, in a 1 day time frame, the past week, the last week, we were just we were just consolidating, man. We were just consolidating. We didn't have any trend in the last week in GBP/JPY pound yen. So still then I took many trades here and I lost. Most of the trades were the losing ones, but GBP/JPY, as you can see, it is some kind of in a resistance, but most importantly it is just consolidating in a tight space over here, which doesn't make any sense, because in the daily time frame, as you can see, it is consolidating heavily, and if you jump into the 4-hour time frame, still then it is consolidating heavily, as you can see. This is the Friday candle of 21 Feb. Now the date is 1st of March. So this is the 25 Monday. Yeah, so from here, the last week's candle starts from here, and we are just consolidating the heavy consolidation phase. So yeah, you know, you always lose when you trade in consolidations. When, because in consolidations, obviously, when the market is consolidating, it doesn't give any movie. It's just moving within a range up and down, and there are 99% probabilities, 90 there are 100% probabilities that you will be losing, you will be getting stopped out in those regions when the markets are consolidating, because it doesn't make any sense when the markets are consolidating and you place a trade. Simple things, these are the simple things, but still then people like me lose. So the most important and the most biggest mistake was I traded during this. You always have to before placing any trades, before trading, you always have to make sure what trend is the market following in a higher time frame, because the trend which is followed by market in the higher time frame is the only trend you should be placing a trade, and that is the only trend you have to go along with. And if you go into the USD/JPY chart in the 1 day time frame, as you can see, overall it is bullish, but last week still then in USD/JPY we were consolidating, a sort of consolidation. As you can see, yeah, mostly we were bullish from, I guess, from Thursday to Friday we were some kind of we got a bullish momentum, but still then we were if you will take out the average, we were still consolidating. So in the 30-minute time frame, as you can see, we in the 30-minute time frame on Thursday and Friday we got some kind of a bullish momentum, but the thing is we still got a we broke this out, but it was somewhere around 8 a.m., which is during Asian session, which is during Tokyo sessions. So that is basically is the session which I don't trade. So I just trade during London session and New York sessions, or the overlapping of those sessions. I just trade during those times. So yeah, as you can see, most of my trades are stopped out. And also in gold, we were just bearish, and you can see here, even after I followed my trend, even after following my setup, I still got stopped out. As you can see, this trade right here, we just got what you will say, we just got a break and close below the support zone over here, and we placed a trade around this candle, and still we got stopped out. Why? Because there is a reason, because it was not a clean range. We can see that there are rejections over here. So as history repeats itself, as taking considerations of this rejections, we have 1 2 3 rejections over here. As considering as these rejections, we got a rejection exactly from this point. As you can see, we moved pretty much to some extent, it went in a favor, but still then from those rejection points, it rejected back again and stopped me out. So yeah, this is the thing. Every losing trade has also some reason that because that is due to which it is a losing trade. So, and this trade is this trade is just I marked, I didn't take this trade, so marking it is complete nonsense. So yeah, in the end, in the conclusion of this video, I made so many mistakes till now in my trading, and I also documented them in a very detailed way, and I have documented them, and regularly I have been uploading those videos in my YouTube, and I recommend you to go through my YouTube channel, and I performed every mistake, every other mistake that a retail trader makes. And I also in the documented videos, I also have shared a structured way of how to improve and how to work upon those mistakes. So hope you will be checking it out, my videos in the YouTube, and some of the videos, some of the important videos, I will be giving the links in my description box. And the most important, as the conclusion of this video, the most important thing was for today, the learning was, you don't have to trade every day. You just have to you have to wait for your setup to form. You have to wait for your setup to form. That's the one single thing. And the second thing is, you have to trade in the sessions in which you are comfortable with, and in which you have the conviction that your setup will be, your trading, your strategy will be performing well enough in those sessions. So yeah. And most importantly, don't overcomplicate things. Just follow what you are following, but don't change them at all, but bring improvements to them. Refine your trading setup. I don't like to change my trading setup, but I like to add some of the extra details which makes it even more accurate, which increases the win accuracy. So I would prefer to do that instead of changing my whole strategy altogether. No, that is completely bullshit. So yeah, these are the conclusions of the video, and hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to check the code down in the description box below to avail some discounts when you are purchasing a funded account in Funded Next. Especially that code only works for Funded Next, and you will be getting some extra discounts if you use my code below while purchasing account in Funded Next. So yeah, this was the whole video all together. We will be I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it, and most importantly, you have learned something from this video. So this is Arun Mandalo signing off. Peace out.